Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel,
Simply Shen.
and me, Ree.
So today it's our August bank holiday. Usually we normally go to Notting Hill Gate, but because of circumstances we can't go. It's cancelled. It's all virtual this year, and it's very cold. So we are having an
BBQ at our house.
and we're gonna bring you along with us.
Yeah, so come on along.
And if you're new, don't forget to
Like, comment,
and
and
subscribe.
so let's jump straight into this video.
So see you
Yeah, guys.
inside, guys.
So here we have our potato salad in the making. So we have some onion, pepper, parsley. What else can I say? Mayo, mustard, and scallions. And now we're just gonna add the potato. And some boiled egg. And then more potato. Secret is, if you have a lot of potato, try adding your egg in the middle so that way it gets properly incorporated from top to bottom. And this is the end of the pasta salad. So it has in pesto, sun-dried tomatoes, and some crab, fresh basil from the garden. Yay! And this is how the conch is looking. So we're just gonna add, well, some people like to add the slim dumplings into the conch. So head chef said that's what we're doing. So you're gonna see it once it's finished. So these is just slim dumplings, which is how you normally make dumplings. Flour, a little butter, some water, oil, salt, and if you want it sweet, you add a little bit of sugar. And if you don't like it sweet, then you don't have to add the sugar. So these are going to go into the conchs, which I showed you earlier. So it's going to be conch and slim dumplings. Into the bubbling water. So the water is just a little bit salted with some oil and a little butter. Flavor. No plainness here. Flavor. And we boil them until they're nice and fluffy. Not fluffy like a Johnny cake, but they're gonna boil up. I know it looks kind of like noodles, but it's not noodles. So lovely. And this is how the skinny dumplings are starting to rise, take shape, and they're gonna get a little bit bigger than this. Ooh, can't wait for the barbecue. Say hi, Petrie. Now we just add in skinny dumplings to the conch. And this is fresh conch from Anguilla. Now you get what I mean. Oh, but it was like frozen. But it isn't like this is from Anguilla, proper conch. And no barbecue is complete without some plantain frying up. So far, this is what we have ready. sun-dried tomatoes, onions, some garlic, peppers, scallions, fresh ginger, and some thyme. And then we're gonna reduce it over the stove, get some butter with some fresh lemon and lime. So stay tuned for the finished product. So to start off the sauce, you need just a hot sauce pot, some butter, as you're seeing.
Just getting the bar together. We have some pink gin, Jose Cuervo. The bottles I have them because we started last night. Captain, this is a really nice Captain Mango and Pineapple. We also have the Spice Captain. We have this Jamaican rum, right? Nephew, some wine, and just some chasers. And then we have a cool outside with beers and something.
And this is just the cooler with some beers. It's the bank holiday weekend, so my family is just having a mini barbecue. The sun was supposed to be shining today, so we're not sure how it's going so far. So we have some Corona beer, Corona Extra, Stella Artois, some non-alcoholic cider. Well, not non-alcoholic, it's only 4%, so it's the cider. And hot leg, and we have some Red Bull as a mixer. So yeah, let's get this party going.